There are 5 types of fire extinguishers to extinguish fire. This is water CO2 type fire extinguisher, which contains 9 liters of normal water compressed with nitrogen gas. It is used for Class A general fire. For fires like fire in paper, wood, clothes, etc. This is foam type fire extinguisher, which contains 8.5 liter normal water and 500 ml AFFF chemical. It is used for Class B oil fire. For examples, petrol, diesel, etc. This is ABC type fire extinguisher, which contains 6 kg of dry chemical powder. It is used for Class A, Class B and Class C type of fire. For examples, fire in LPG, CNG, etc. This is clean agent type fire extinguisher, which contains nitrogen, argon and carbon dioxide. It is used for Class D type of fire. For example, fire in potassium, magnesium, etc. This is CO2 type fire extinguisher, which contains carbon dioxide in dry ice form. It is used for electric fire. For example, fire in short circuit, etc. This is asbestos blanket, used to extinguish fire with smothering method. This is fireman axe, used by firemen for breaking in case of emergency. This is fireball, which contains 1.3 kg of dry chemical powder used to extinguish the fire by throwing in flames of fire. This is lock cutter, used for cutting any kind of metal item. This is emergency torch. This is standard branch used in firefighting, which connects with hose pipe. This is 15-meter long delivery hose pipe. Emergency stretcher, used in emergency situations of fire. In Aiims, we are giving regular fire training to all our security and fire staff. For the first time in the history of Aiims, we have established a fully operational fire station within the campus. Aiims is well equipped and trained to handle fire incidents with confidence.